Everyone, I hope you had a great time at Camp at Home. It was a little bit different. We didn't get to go to Jackson's and have fun swimming, eating in the dining room, sleeping in cabins, but we did some really fun things at home. And I know you did because you enjoyed it, because I have so many beautiful pictures. And Mark's put all those pictures together and some video shots, and you're going to sit back now and watch and see all the fun that you had this year at Camp at Home. Let's say a prayer that next year we can go back to Jackson's and have fun there. Thanks to family and staff and for all that helped out with this Camp at Home. God bless you all. Where are we going to go today? Northwest Territory, none of it. And the other place starts with a Y. And remind me what this is? What's this called? A Nookshuk, right on, a Nookshuk. Very good. Good stuff.
We're big, we're small, we're young, and we're old. We're all different people living together with love. We laugh, we play, we learn every day. We're all different people living together with love. Together with love, and we are a family, living, playing together. Together, we are a family, wherever.
And did you know that Saskatchewan has over 1,000 lakes?
That's true, they do.
You ready?
Yes,
For God so loved
the world,
that he gave his one and only Son, that if believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life. Tells me so. Little ones to him belong. They're weak and he is strong.
Go to her land, go oxen, causing free. Oh, Canada, we sing God for thee, for thee.
Kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. His love came down, down, down. My prayers go up, up.
So I want you to watch the videos. I want you to act out, do all the funny things that the guys are doing, and enjoy and have fun. And you're going to have s'mores.
This land is your land, this land is my land. From Monte Vista to the Vancouver Island, from the Arctic Circle to the Great Lake waters. This land was made for you and me.
As I went walking that living of highway, I saw above me that endless skyway. I saw below me that golden valley.
This land was made for you and me. This land is your land, this land is my land. From Monte Vista to the Vancouver Island, from the Arctic Circle to the Great Lake water. This land was made for you and me. When
and Chris, tell me what your favorite thing of this week is. What's the favorite part of camp?
Well, one is that we both enjoyed is the crafts.
Yeah, craft.
And
sing along.
And the sing along. Yeah.
Yep.
And the best part of it is also the campfire.
Campfire.
Awesome. Favorite thing at camp?
Campfire.
Awesome.
I liked the singing.
The singing. Awesome. You're good at that.
The weather.
The weather's been good. That's perfect, eh? Did you enjoy the videos?
Yeah.
What about the crafts? Did you like that?
Yeah.
Awesome. How about you, Becky? What's your favorite bit?
Sure.
Do you like your shirt? How about the crafts? I think you like the coloring and the crafts, right? Give me the thumbs up. Yeah.
To color on the pillowcase.
That was good. That's nice.
Yeah.
It was fun.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing?
If I were.
The fireworks. You like the fireworks?
Hey Michelle, what was your favorite part of camp?
I like doing crafts.
What was your favorite craft?
The pillowcase. You had fun, did you? I knew you would say that. I just love you, Dora. I just love you.
Lord,
Thank the Lord.
thank you for today,
Thank you for today.
for Camp at Home,
Camp at home.
for all the fun things that we're going to do.
For all the fun things we're going to do.
We thank you that you show us the way,
Thank you for the way.
and you make our path straight.
Make our path straight.
I've got Canada in my pocket, a little bit of history. A penny and a nickel and a quarter and a dime mean a lot to you and me. It's more than pocket money, they're the symbols of our land. They're pictures of important things for which this country stands.